Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss about ANM previous year question. So let begin. The first question is differentiation of hysterical fit from epileptic fit. The option A occur in sleep. Option B injurious to person. Option C incontinence. Option D occur when people are watching. The correct answer is option number D, when people are watching. The correct answer is D. Question number 2. Which of the following feature of Alzheimer's disease? The option A, early memory loss. Option B, recent memory loss. Option D, C, recent and past memory loss. Option D, global memory loss. The correct answer is option number C, recent past memory loss. Which of the following example of operant conditioning? Option A, dog learn to salivate on hearing a bell. Option B, rat pressed lever to get food delivered. Option C, crow pecked at a key for food delivery. All of the above. The correct answer is option number B. Question number 4. Which of the following therapy is based on learning theory? Option A, behavior therapy. Option B, physicoanalytics. Option C, milieu therapy. Option D, cognitive therapy. Option number A. The correct answer is option number A. What media is sterilized by which of the following method? Option A, autoclaving. Option B, boiling. Option C, hot air oven. Option D, ionizing radiation. The correct answer is option A, autoclaving. Question number 6. When the infant vomiting uncontrollably, it is important for nurse assess which of the complication? The correct answer is alkalosis. Option number B is correct answer. Question number 7. Neonates diabetic mother at risk for all of the following except the correct answer is hyperbilirubinemia. Question number 8. Glucose is added anti-diarrheal health solution because option A, it tastes sweet. Option B, it increase absorption of amino acid. Option C, it increase absorption of sodium. Option D, all of the above. The correct answer is option number C. Question number 9. Case of finding RNTCP is based on a sputum culture, a sputum microscopy. Option number C, X-ray chest. Option number D, Montague's test PCR. The correct answer is sputum microscope. Question number 10. The most common cause of blindness in India is question number A, option A, cataract. Option B, trachoma. Option C, refractive error. Option D, vitamin deficiency. The correct answer is A, cataract. इसको मोतियाबिंद भी बोलते हैं. Question number 11. Which vaccine is contraindicated in pregnancy? Option A, rubella. B, diphtheria. C, tetanus. Option D, hepatitis B. Correct is rubella. Option number A, correct answer. Question number 12. Which of the following is common 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 side effect of copper tea? The correct answer is bleeding. Option number B is correct answer. Question number 30. A patient developed red eyes 2 days after episode of malaria. Probable cause. Option A conjunctivitis, anterior uveitis, viral keratitis, D. endophthalmitis. The correct answer is option number C, viral keratitis. Question number 14. One tablet chlorine is efficient to chlorine how many liter of water? The correct answer is 20 liter. Question number 15. While planning nursing process for a patient who at a risk for suicide, which of the following is priority area for providing care? The correct answer is safety. Option number D, correct answer. Which of the following food are recommended for mania patient? The correct answer is finger food. Option number A, correct answer. Question number 70. The India Mental Health Act was passed during the year. The correct answer is option number A, 1987. Question number 18. Best test to assess the fluid status burn patient. The correct answer is hematotrophs. Question number 90. What is the source of bright red blood flowing back into the tubing intravenous drip? The correct answer is arterial blood. Question number 20. GFR is increased by glomerular filtration rate. Full form is increased by arterial natriuretic peptide. The correct answer is A. Question number 21. Bell's palsy is due to injuries of which cranial nerve? The correct answer is C, facial. Fracture of distal radius is called. The correct answer is D, Colles fracture. Question number 23. Meaning barrel esophagus is. The correct answer is A, lower esophagus lined by columnar epithelium. Question number 24. Gray Turner sign is seen in. The correct answer is pancreatitis. Question number 25. Systemic lupus erythematosus rarely affect. The correct answer is connective tissue. Question number 26. Chest tube inserted second and third intercostal space suggestive of. The correct answer is pneumothorax. Question number 27. Rheumatic heart disease is caused by. The correct answer is D, Group A, hemolytic streptococci. Question number 28. Contraindication of lumbar puncture include all except. The correct answer is neoplasma. Rage, ICP, hematoma, headache are lumbar puncture, but neoplasm नहीं है. Question number 29. Common clinical feature of renal carcinoma is. The correct answer is B, painless hematuria. Question number 30. A term of approximate placental weight is. The correct answer is 500 gram. Question number 32. Polyhydramnios means amniotic fluid volume more than 2000 ml. The correct answer is 2000 ml. Question number 32. Common cause of PPH. The correct answer is atonic uterus. Question number 34. Expulsion cervical mucus with blood known as. So the correct answer is B. Question number 34. In breech presentation, denominator is. The correct answer is sacrum. Question number 34 का करेक्ट आंसर ए। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग माइलस्टोन रेड फ्लैग साइन चाइल्ड डेवलपमेंट नॉट अटेंड? द करेक्ट आंसर इज सी, सोशल स्माइल एट 3 months. Question number 36. Growth chart also known as road to health chart. The correct answer is B. Question number 37. What is nurse primary critical observation when performing assessment for determining Apgar score? The correct answer is heart rate. Question number 38. In an infant born precipitously outside the labor room, what should be nurse do first? The correct answer is B. Establish in airways for the newborn. Question number 39. A small for gestational age, large gestational age infant polycythemia because of? The correct answer is hypoxia. Question number 40. Key feature of kangaroo mother care are all following except? The correct answer is done. Done only for baby with canosis. इसमें बोल रहा है जो की फ्यूचर है कंगारू मदर केयर ऑल आर है, लेकिन एक्सेप्ट कौन सा नहीं है? तो क्वेश्चन द करेक्ट आंसर इज डन ओनली फॉर बेबीज विथ कैनोसिस. क्वेश्चन नंबर 41. An 18-month-old child was brought to Well Baby Clinic for booster dose DPT diphtheria vaccine. Which among the following muscles is preferred for nurse administer vaccine? The correct answer is D. Vastus laterals. Question number 42. Which vaccine is contraindicated child with history of convulsion? The correct answer is DPT. Question number 43. Kramer's rules used for? The correct answer is jaundice. Sunset sign is seen in the following condition. The correct answer is hydrocephalus. Question number 45. Among the following are component of gobi except? The correct answer is female feticide. Question number 46. Mission of Indradhanush program is related to immunization. The correct answer is C. 47. According to Gomez classification degree, protein, energy, malnutrition refer to weight of 60 to 70%. The correct answer is B. Which of the following help to prevention neutral tube defect in fetus? The correct answer is D. Folic acid. 49. Meningitis refer to? The correct answer is A. Meningitis irritated sign without meningitis. Question number 50. Commonly used to shunt hydrocephalus management. The correct answer is B. Ventricle pulmonal. Question number 51. Most priority nursing intervention while carrying the child who is suffering from tonic-clonic seizure. The correct answer is C. Protect child from self-injury. Nelson syndrome seen after? Question number 52. Nelson syndrome seen after? The correct answer is adrenalectomy. Question number 53. Which of the transaction is to treat fracture of the humerus? The correct answer is overhead suspension traction. The correct answer is B. What is the ratio chest compression of ventilation when the two rescue perform cardiopulmonary resuscitation on child? The correct answer is D. 15:2. Question number 55. Nephrotic syndrome is characterized by? The correct answer is all of the above. Proteinuria, edema, and hyperlipidemia all are the correct answer. Question number 56. A patient with Meniere's disease expecting severe vertigo. Which instruction should be nurse give a patient access to controlling the vertigo? The correct answer is B. Avoid sudden head movement. Question number 57. Which of the following manifestation of pyloric stenosis? The correct answer is projectile vomiting. Question number 58. Which of the following is complication of a splenectomy? The correct answer is pancreatitis. Sorry. Which question number 59. Which nerve injury lead to wrist drop? The correct answer is radial nerve. Question number 60. Which of the following cannot corrected by dialysis? The correct answer is anemia. लास्ट क्वेश्चन आप लोग शेयर कर दें ताकि दूसरों को हेल्प मिले। ऐसा ही वीडियो अगर सपोर्टिव रहे तो मैं लेके आऊँगा। थैंक्स फॉर वाचिंग। फिर दूसरी वीडियो लेकर आऊँगा। प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर इट। थैंक यू।